Hello Forex lovers, welcome once again to my screen. You know what guys, I'm just so excited to do this video with you guys today because remember the analysis we did on AUD USD. It has played out guys, and it actually played out quite nicely, and we made a very nice amount of money from the market this week. And I'm going to be sharing with you in this video how we actually made that trade work and where we came out of the trade. Presently we're out of the trade. We've made the amount of money we are okay with, and we're out of the trade presently at the moment. So but just before I share with you that trade, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to hit that subscribe button and to hit the like button, so that once we release any content right here, you're going to be one of the first set of people that's going to get access to our videos, and that way you always be updated. Because if you don't follow our updates regularly, then you might find out that you're going to miss out on opportunities in the market. So I'm going to be giving you 5 seconds to just hit that subscribe button. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Come on now, let's get into the analysis. All right, so looking at my screen right now, I'm on AUD USD. I'm on AUD USD at the moment, and if you get to watch our previous video, the video we did before this one, you're going to see how we analyzed AUD USD chart and how we said AUD USD was going to drop, and it actually dropped guys. It actually dropped, and I'm going to be showing you the positions I took in AUD USD. So as you can see, this is a daily chart. We drew this trend line. I did the analysis, but I'm not going to be going over the analysis anymore because I already did that in my previous video. So if you haven't watched that video, the link to the video is going to be somewhere on the screen. So just click on the link of the video and go watch that video, and then you can come back to watch this one. All right, so back to the 4-hour chart now guys. So looking at the 4-hour chart, we said if AUD USD breaks this line here, we should, I said it here, I said go in on a sell position once it breaks this line, and AUD USD did break that line, and the projected profit guys was this level. I remember telling you guys to watch out for this level. I said AUD USD was going to get to this level right here. But guys, I didn't actually, because I didn't even take the trade right from this point. I entered in somewhere around here. And the reason was that I wasn't really on the charts right about the time when this opportunity came to play. I was busy doing some things, and when I came in, this was where the market was. So I just waited for the market to just do this little pullback that it was doing here. I checked it on the 1-hour time frame just to be sure. So when I checked on my 1-hour time frame, I saw how the market was doing some sort of consolidation at this place right about here. So I entered in on the trade somewhere around here because I was sure that the market was going to go. How did I know that? Because I saw this pin candle one, there was a pin candle here, there was another one here, so I knew the market was going to go down. So I entered in on the sell based on that, and I rode AUD USD down. So I'm going back to my 4-hour time frame now. I rode AUD USD down, but I didn't wait guys. Listen to this now. I didn't wait for the price to get to this level. Now why didn't I wait for price to get to this level? Because of price action guys. Because of price action. You know, like I said in the previous video, I said do not dictate to the market what it should do. Let the market tell you what it wants to do. So I simply just followed price action guys. I simply followed what the market was saying. Now I projected that the price should get to this point, but price didn't get there, and price got to this point and started turning. But I took out my profits at this point. Why did I take out my profit here? Because if you look at this guys, if you look at this level right here, you can see that the market actually had some reactions right about this place, on AUD USD. So once the market got there and I saw it was beginning to misbehave, I knew it was because of this level right about here. So I just put it in my mind to actually just close out positions. And also, not just because of that, but look at this trend line that we drew. This trend line that we drew on the daily time frame, or I think it was on the weekly. I think it was on the weekly we drew that. Yeah, okay, no, it was on the daily. We drew it on the daily. So this uptrend line, so AUD USD came down and touched that uptrend line. Sorry, zooming out. It touched the uptrend line here, formed a pink candle, and I knew it was time to exit the trade, guys. So look, Forex, don't be greedy. Don't let some greed get into your mind and then take over your decision making. Just do what once the market is showing you what it wants to do, just follow the market. So I took the sell position from here and I came out right about here, and I actually made quite an amount of money from the market. I made quite an amount of money, and I'm going to show you the profits that we made on that account in the next video that's going to be coming up. I'm going to explain to you. I'm just going to show you the profits that we made. We made quite an amount of money, and we're happy about that. Now I got into this trade somewhere around Monday. No, not Monday. I got into this trade on I think I got into this trade on Tuesday. Yes, I got into this trade on Tuesday, and the trade was in play. It was I watched it go into some minus, of course, but I left the position open because I set my stop loss, of course, and I knew where price was going to go to, and I was certain about it because I already did my analysis and I was sure it was going to happen because I really trust my strategy. It really works very well. So I set my stop loss and everything, and I just left the trade. So I closed that trade on Wednesday afternoon. That was when I closed it, somewhere around 1 p.m. West African time. I closed the trade somewhere around there, and I closed it with some nice profits, which I'm going to be showing you in the next video. Okay guys, welcome to my MT4 screen. I told you guys I was going to share with you the trade that we took this week and show you the profits we made on the account. So this is it. As you can see, this is 100,017,414 US dollars. This is an account that was just recently funded by an investor, and I was trading on behalf of the investor, and you can see this account is just recently funded. These were the positions I took on AUD USD. I took 2 positions, actually 3 basically, because the third one was a sell limit that I set. I set a sell limit, but it didn't get activated. As you can see, it is right there, and you can see this is not a sell limit that I just placed. I have placed the sell limit since on the 2nd of January 2024, and I set it around 10:49 p.m. at night, which is exactly same time I actually entered this first trade on AUD USD, and I used a lot size of 33.01 lot size. By the way, some of you might be wondering, oh, he's over leveraging, or he's using too much of a big lot size, that's why he's making that amount of money. By the way, I'm following risk management, and I used my I used the position size calculator to actually get the exact lot size I'm supposed to use on a $100,000 account that is going to be fair, so that I don't lose too much money on the market. So I actually followed risk management. I did not do something that was not well planned or well strategized. So that's it, guys. So I entered in on AUD USD, as you can see, on the 2nd of January 2024 around 10:43 p.m. at night, And the second one I entered in the next day on the 3rd of January 2024 around 1:16 p.m. in the afternoon. And as you can, if you can notice something, you see this is 9,000 and this is 7. That's because this one I entered in on the previous day, it was going in the opposite direction, so I was already in a loss of probably minus 2,000 and something by the time I entered this position. And I entered in on this position because I knew there was a pullback. I saw the pullback that was happening because I entered in on this trade somewhere around here. So when I saw the market was pulling back up to this point, I just entered in on another sell position at this point. Then I set a sell limit here, but the sell limit didn't get activated. It almost activated it, but it didn't. Assuming it activated it, then I would have made well over $17,000 on this trade. I would have made about if I add another 9,000 to this money, that's just going to be like $26,000 in one day, guys, in one day, because I closed this trade in exactly one day. I closed it in one day. I closed it on Wednesday. So that's it, guys, and that is how we were able to make $17,414 on AUD USD trade. So just hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and follow every of our analysis that we're going to be doing, and you'll see once you follow our analysis, you follow our call, you're going to be making some profits in the forex market in the coming days, because our analysis works 9 times out of 10, guys. It works 9 times out of 10. So just keep tabs on our page and make sure you follow all our videos. And you can also watch our previous videos as well. So see you later, guys. Have a nice weekend.